Hello. So today we're gonna see a semi-detached home in the city of Vaughan. So let's come on in and take a look at this beautiful house. It has 4 bedrooms, finished basement with a bedroom in the basement as well. So let's come take a look. So coming into this house, you'll see a big living room on your right hand side. So this house is actually facing north and then back into the south directions. Lots of sunlight, and also the floor has been recently finished, renovated. It's an engineering hardwood floor. On the first floor is 9-foot ceiling with porcelain ceiling as well. It has been done with pot light. Moving towards the back of the house is the kitchen and the family room area. The kitchen has actually been renovated and has been done with a granite countertop. So it has a U-shaped kitchen. And the cooktop is also a gas cooktop. A Samsung fridge. To the backyard is the owner has already been done the interlock. The house is actually a couple of feet above the existing ground, so you see there's nice couple of stair steps, and it has like a gazebo already built. There's a little bit of landscape to the sides, give it a more finished look. Let's go down to the basement and take a look at it as well.
Well, hi everyone. This is the second floor of this semi-detached. As you can see from your right-hand side, this is the common bathroom, which is a 3-piece sink, bathroom, and also it has the shower. As you can see closer, there's also the windows are recently done. Right, come follow me. So we are gonna see behind me is actually 3 bedrooms. First bedroom, it actually is a good size. It could fit actually a single bed with 2 side tables and also have a ceiling fan. If we were to notice right here in the floor, these are called parquet wood floors. These are really well conditioned. And we're gonna follow me more. This is the second bedroom. Also has a good size for a single bed. And then let me open up the closets. Very good size. Okay. Now we're gonna go see the linen closet right here. Very spacious. And behind me, this is the third bedroom. This one actually fits a queen size. Right, very spacious. This actually is facing north. And you can see all these right here, these moldings is also very new. Overlooking the front. All right, and right behind me, we're gonna go see the primary bedroom. Come on, let's go.
So welcome again to watch our YouTube channel. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Andrew.
So Andrew, what do you think about this house?
Well, first off, thank you for coming to our channel. As Michelle has indicated, if you like our channels, please like, share, and subscribe. Well, I think from outside, let's talk about outside first. It's very convenient, located on Dufferin and Rutherford. It's very close to, right across is the shopping center. It has no frills, and it also have Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a very accessible place for shopping, for all the needs. And also, there's parks. There's a lot of parks that is close by walking distance. And also to say that there is actually a new YRT bus stops.
So about within 5 minutes drive, there is the Rutherford GO station. It's a very new expanded GO station where in the future there will be very frequent train that goes directly to downtown Union stations. And as well, the interior of this house is very nice. The main floor, the hardwood floor is recently renovated, so as the walls has been newly painted as well. This house has 4 bedrooms and 1 bedroom in the basement, so it's very perfect for young families, and especially if you have parents or in-laws or unexpected guests that needs to stay over. There will be enough bedrooms for everybody.
I'd like to also highlight that in terms of the inside of this living room, these rooms has a lot of pot lights. It's really brightly lit room.
As well, the garage is actually attached to the house, and the owner actually added a storage shelf above. So there's a lot of storage space for your outdoor needs like winter tires, shovels, etc. And also in the backyard, the owner has actually already placed the interlock, and as well there is a built gazebo and a the storage shed where you can put all your landscape needs inside the shed.
In addition, there's a gas line that's already available.
If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.